really delicious winter warmer recipe for you all today. I'm going to be making a sticky date pudding with protein. So what you're going to need for this recipe is 1 scoop of the Happy Way salted caramel protein powder. I've got a 1.5 cups here of the medjool dates, which I'm going to take the seeds out of and chop. I've got 50 grams of unsalted butter, 2 eggs, about a teaspoon of bicarb soda, 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar, 1 cup here of self-raising flour, but you can use whatever flour you prefer, and 1 cup of boiling water. Now I'm also going to top my sticky dates with some butterscotch sauce, which you can buy already made at the grocery store. Now, to make it, firstly what you need to do is, like I said, pit your dates and chop them, and then in a bowl, pop your bicarb soda on top of them and your water. Now allow them to sit for a few minutes. Once they've become a little bit mushy, just get a fork and squish them. In a separate bowl, you want to add your butter, your sugar, and mix that together with an electric beater. Gradually add in your eggs and then slowly sift in your flours. Once that mixture is nice and combined, you want to add in your date mixture. So just fold that through. Now I'm going to be using this silicone mold, which has 6 small cake squares in it. So what I'm going to do is make little sticky date puddings, but you can also use just a round cake tin for this. I'm going to pop this one into the oven for about 15 minutes. However, if I was making this in a large tin, I would need to cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now my oven has been preheating at 180 degrees fan forward.